please work together.
So you're making the switch from Claude to Gemini, and you're worried about losing all the context you've built up over the time. So the good news is that Google and Claude have actually built official tools to handle this, and the whole process breaks down into clear steps, which is transferring your memory first and then your chat history. So let's walk through it. So step one, transferring your memory. So your memory is basically essentially what everything has Claude or Gemini has learned about you, your preferences, your tone, maybe your the context behind your work, maybe how you like to work and what would you like to prefer, the basic of tone and everything. So basically, what we'll do is we'll open up Chrome and we'll go on to the profile whichever you want, and we'll just open it quickly. So yeah, we have a new tab here. We'll go into Gemini. So in Gemini, you can see whatever you have searched for here and whatever you had done with the mail, whatever you had worked and all of your notes and all. So basically what we do is go into the settings, you go into clicking on import memory to Gemini, and here you can get a prompt that you can paste into your Claude. So we'll quickly open a Claude, and here I have already logged in into this. You can just quickly go ahead and paste in this, and it will. So I have not enabled memory relationship from this. So what we'll quickly go and do ahead is you will go ahead and enable memory from where you can get your data out. So you have to go into settings, you have to come into privacy and memory preferences. If you just click on it, and you can click generate memory from chat history. So I've just turned it on so that there is no chat memory. So we will do this with another mail that I permanently use with my Claude. So first things first, you have to enable this whenever you're using, so that it has a relevant context from your chats, so that it remembers what you have, what kind of project you're making, what kind of tech stack you're using maybe, so that it has a memory of that. And for that, now what I'll do is, so this is how you will copy your import your memory from here to here. So what we are going to do is we are going to import our memory from Claude, I think so, which we have chats here. So what we are going to do is we are going to just go ahead here, go into settings. Also, this doesn't work in the mobile Claude app actually. So let's quickly go ahead and privacy. Let's go ahead and click in export chats. I'll just click on all time and just click on export. So this what will do is will send you a mail with a download link. Yeah, here we go. Just click on download data and let's wait for a few minutes till it downloads. And it has downloaded. It will download you a zip file which you can go back ahead into Gemini. First, remember whatever chat history that I had here, okay? And then we are going to go into settings and we're going to go click on import memory to Gemini, and we are going to go ahead here and see that you can export the data from a supported data provider and upload the zip file, which is up to 5 GB directly to Gemini. So earlier in Claude, which where I had not enabled my memory, this moment I'll show it to you, where I had not enabled my memory preferences, I just pulled out my chat history from Claude so that I get the data back into Gemini, so that from when I tried to copy my import memory into Gemini, it didn't give me that context on what the user has done. So what I'll do is I'll just pull out the data from privacy and export data, and then I'll go into import memory to Gemini, and then I'll just, if you can read here, export the data from a supported AI provider and upload the zip file up to 5 GB directly to Gemini. So just go and click here and select the file that we got from Claude and just click on open, and it will take some time. And as you can see, it has imported, and we'll just quickly go on and chat, and as you can see, it has refreshed, and you can see as all my chat history and all whatever is being updated constantly. And this is what I had talked about earlier, in which Claude, which it would show you, it has imported my chat between them. um, as you can see, the same memory has been copied from Claude 2 into Gemini. So what this order means is that your past conversation will directly appear into your sidebar, which is, again, if I could click on my chats and if you could see um, all my chats from my Claude, where I have not enabled personal memory or memory preference so that it could take my data. So basically what I've done is I've pulled my chat history from Claude into Gemini, and so that it has a do memory first, then history second, in which way that Gemini will understand who you are before it starts reading your old conversations. So the both tools are completely free and built directly into the Gemini settings recently. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.